I'm John Burr, and I live here on the slopes of beautiful San Pasqual Valley in Escondido. It was time to have our HVAC system evaluated. I'd been dealing with the company that installed it. I wasn't satisfied. I thought it was time to start fresh. I have a neighbor I had a lot of trust in. It took him about 4 nanoseconds to say, "Call Baker."
Hi, John. Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
Within 2 days, there was a team here running an evaluation on my HVAC. I was impressed. You could tell right away they had a high level of skill.
So this is the part.
The system was in bad shape and needed a lot of work. You know, when I got the report, I said, well, maybe we're better off just scrapping this and buying a new one. And they said, not at all. They assured me that it was a top-of-the-line system. It's a very ethical company. If you're having trouble with your HVAC system, call Baker. They really know what they're doing.